The question is the form of the inverse function a y is equal to a e r t in terms of t. So we have to just tell us the meanings of this requirement. So we have, let's suppose we have the given function is a e r t. How they come? How they come? First of all, so first thing is that we have to take ln on both sides, and that it means that natural log ert. We know that when both when the terms are multiplied, then we have to take addition of that terms by using log properties. So I can write ln a plus ln ert ert. So again, I would like to use the property of power function of the log. So power will comes before the ln. So rt into ln e, and ln e that is equal to a 1. So it will be ln a plus rt, that is ln y. From the other side, so ln y minus ln a, that is equal to rt. So further I can write it t equal to ln y minus ln a upon r. So this will be a same value which he asked. And here r is not equal to a 0. This will be a condition, must condition is there. Now the original function, he asked about the original function, and original function is that is y is equal to aert. If I put r equal to 0, if I put r is equal to 0, then what it's, that is ae 0, and e0 that is equal to a 1. So y equal to a. And what about the meanings of this function y is equal to a? That is a constant, that is a constant function, constant function. And further is that that is a horizontal intercept, we can say that is a horizontal intercept.